is about sound, memory, and migration. But for now, I will start on a new project next month, which I will be directing, and I'm also part of the performers, a musician and composition. There will be dancers and two other musicians. That's also interdisciplinary, and it's called 100 Sounds of Belonging, Berlin. And the premiere is on 10th of January, 2026. I already wrote like how I want to start, like month by month, from August to January. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. It's about sound, memory, and migration. So for now, like these three words are the main words that can explain me, because yeah, I immigrated 2 times. First time to Turkey 5 years ago. I stayed there for 3 years. Then I moved to Berlin. Now it's 2 years that I'm living here, and I always feel like I'm missing home, and there is this a bit of sadness. Also, of course, it's nice to live in other countries and to have freedom of voice and to be free in your work. But yeah, memory of home, like sounds, and these are something that I'm always like feeling and have a relation